Welcome to Deliciously Decayed Minisode, Stanley Ironworks, Part 2. The Bridgewater Ironworks is a historic industrial site located in Bridgewater, Massachusetts, along the banks of the Town River. By 1860, at the dawn of the Civil War, the Bridgewater Iron Company was one of the largest in the country. Specializing in heavy castings and forgings, including key parts for the United States Navy, which also included famous USS Monitor and the USS New Ironsides ironclad warships. By 1868, the company employed about 600 men. In 1899, the site was purchased by the Stanley Works of New Britain, Connecticut, for the manufacture of machinery and steel plates used in tool production. The property was donated to the town of Bridgewater in 1994, the last owners of the foundry. Much of the site has been converted into Ironworks Park. The 12-acre park includes a small bridge over the Town River and the remnants of several buildings. Thank you very much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.